What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino, and this is the Progress Bar, and today I'm gonna make you guys a cocktail that's got Vino more nostalgic, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna tell you guys why. Because when I was a kid, I loved to read. As a matter of fact, I still do now. But one of my favorite characters growing up was a little guy named Curious George. Now, you probably heard of Curious George, but Curious George was a little monkey that got into a whole lot of innocent trouble. You know, just kind of like Vino does. But Curious George was taken care of by a guy named the Man in the Yellow Hat. And here's the deal. So while I was looking to make you guys a cocktail this week, I was looking for something along the tiki vibes, and I came across a cocktail called the Man in the Yellow Hat, which was created by Sean Saunders over at Devon in New York City. Now, this isn't necessarily a tiki cocktail. As a matter of fact, it has no rum, which isn't necessarily a prerequisite to a tiki cocktail, but it's also a stirred cocktail. But then I got to thinking, sometime last year, me and David from Cocktail Fridays and the home bartender did a collaboration video together on my channel where we made a bunch of stirred tiki cocktails. And when I looked at the ingredient list for the Man in the Yellow Hat, I said to myself, you know what? This would fit right into that video. So I'm really looking forward to try it today. I'm even gonna tiki-fy it up a little bit more and see what it comes out like, all right, folks? This is my first time trying it. Hopefully it is a banger. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to do me a solid and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, so let us look at what is in the sauce for our Man in the Yellow Hat cocktail, right? The first thing we're gonna need is a 1/4 ounce of a cinnamon syrup, right? Now, like I was talking about earlier with, having this, like tiki vibes, cinnamon syrup is one of the things you find in a ton of tiki cocktails, okay? So you're gonna kind of see where I'm going with this, right? And then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of banana liqueur, another thing you'll find in a lot of tiki cocktails, all right? So, I think what we're getting here is a bit of a fresh, fruity, stirred cocktail. So this is gonna be really fun. All right, and then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of a Nocino, which is a walnut liqueur, okay? So this is, there's tends to be orgeat in cocktails, so we'll kind of say this replaces the orgeat, all right? And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of a rye whiskey, all right? I'm gonna be using Old Forester. Here we go, gorgeous. And then the original recipe called for 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, but I'm gonna make it even more tiki, and I'm gonna do 2 dashes of Tiki Bitters, all right, folks? So 1, 2, all right? So like I said, I'm gonna really try to tiki-fy this as much as I can, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice to our mixing glass. And you're gonna wanna stir it out for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. Oh yeah, that's gonna be delicious. Oh my God, it's gonna be delicious. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get my glass out. I'll be serving that in a rocks glass, which I already have a big cube in there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour in our drink. All right, and just that little bit that I tasted off of the spoon. Oh, this is gonna be good. All right, beautiful, perfect, right to the top. And then I'm gonna go ahead, the original recipe called for a orange peel garnish, but I'm gonna use 2 pineapple fronds here. There you go, folks. Oh, look at that bad boy. And there you have it, folks. Vino's tiki-fied version of the Man in the Yellow Hat. All right, so let's go ahead and give our Man in the Yellow Hat a sippy sip. Cheers to George and the Man in the Yellow Hat. Oh yeah, that is nice, guys. Oh, I love it. The banana and cinnamon just work so well together. I mean, that is a really great pairing. Again, it just has like, some tiki vibes going on. It just has some beautiful, big fruit flavors, the delicious spicy notes. Those tiki bitters definitely amped it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, this is delicious, guys. Absolutely love it. I don't want the tiki community to come after me, all right? I'm just having a little fun here, right, folks? But this is a delicious stirred cocktail that happens to have some nice tropical tiki vibes going on. So I hope you guys try it out. It's absolutely delicious. Once again, I think you will absolutely enjoy it, right, folks? Now, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, Sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.